In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up billing plans in Clio Manage. By the end, you'll know how to create a billing plan, also called a payment profile, that sets clear payment expectations, applies discounts when paid early, and calculates interest when payments are late. This helps your firm bill consistently and saves time when generating invoices. Start from your Clio Manage dashboard and head into Settings. This is where all your firm-wide preferences live, including how you want to handle billing rules. Once you're in Settings, choose Billing. The billing area centralizes invoice formatting, payment terms, and financial policies, so changes here can shape how every invoice behaves. Next, open Payment Profiles. This is the dedicated spot for creating and managing your billing plans. Think of a payment profile as a reusable template of terms. You might have one for standard clients, another for contingency matters that need different timing, or one for corporate clients with negotiated terms. Click. Create a payment profile to start building a new plan. Give your profile a clear, memorable name in the Profile Name field. Use a naming convention that makes sense to your team, something like Standard Net Terms or Corporate Preferred, so anyone can instantly understand when to apply it. Now, choose your payment terms. If you want invoices to be payable as soon as they're issued, select Due Upon Receipt. This is straightforward and helps speed up collections. If your clients need more flexibility, choose Custom Payment Terms. This option lets you tailor the plan with a few key settings that follow. Configure your billing plan details carefully. Set a grace period if you want to allow a short window before an invoice is considered late. This can improve client relationships without sacrificing structure. If you reward early payment, enter a discount percentage and specify the discount days to define how long that early pay discount is available. For late payments, set an interest rate that aligns with your firm's policy and any applicable regulations. Then define the interest frequency, such as monthly, so Clio knows how often to calculate that interest. Be consistent. The combination of rate and frequency determines how charges accrue over time. When everything looks right, click Create Profile to save. Your new billing plan is now available to apply where needed, helping you keep terms consistent across matters and clients. That's all there is to it. Name your profiles clearly, start with simple terms, and review them periodically to ensure they still fit your practice. Thanks for watching.